Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The TOPGRO T1-Pro mini gaming PC represents a specific intersection of high-performance hardware and compact engineering designed to challenge the traditional necessity of a bulky tower for intensive computing tasks. This device is built around a small form-factor chassis that measures significantly less than a standard desktop yet houses components typically reserved for full-sized systems. At its core, the machine utilizes an Intel 13th generation Core i9-13900HK processor. This specific chip is part of the high-performance mobile line, which is optimized for thermal efficiency while maintaining a high clock speed of up to 5.4 GHz. The processor features a hybrid architecture with 14 cores and 20 threads, which allows it to distribute workloads effectively between performance cores for heavy gaming or rendering and efficiency cores for background processes. This balance is critical in a mini PC where managing heat and power consumption is as important as raw speed. The system is paired with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 dedicated graphics card featuring 8 GB of GDDR6 memory. This inclusion marks the T1-Pro as a dedicated gaming machine rather than a simple productivity box, as the graphics card supports modern features like ray tracing and deep learning super sampling. The build and design of the T1-Pro emphasize a modern aesthetic that fits into both professional and gaming environments. The chassis is designed with a focus on airflow, which is a necessity given the high wattage components housed within. It features a visible cooling system that relies on a combination of heat pipes and high-pressure fans to draw cool air through the sides and expel heat through the rear or top vents. The external shell is accented by an adjustable RGB lighting system that can be customized to match a specific desk setup or turned off entirely for a more understated look. In terms of physical footprint, the device occupies a fraction of the space used by a traditional mid-tower case, making it suitable for users with limited desk real estate or those who prefer a minimalist aesthetic. Despite its small size, the design does not skimp on physical connectivity. The front and rear panels are populated with a variety of ports, including high-speed USB slots for peripherals and external storage. The inclusion of a 2.5 gigabit per second LAN port highlights a focus on high-speed networking, which is beneficial for low-latency gaming and large file transfers. Performance is where the T1-Pro distinguishes itself from standard office-grade mini-computers. The combination of the Core i9 processor and the 32 GB of DDR5 RAM provides a high ceiling for multitasking and resource-heavy applications. DDR5 memory offers a significant increase in bandwidth over previous generations, which means data can move between the processor and the memory at much faster rates. This translates to smoother operation when running multiple virtual machines, editing high-resolution video, or keeping dozens of browser tabs open alongside a primary application. The storage solution is equally fast, utilizing a 1 TB PCIe 4.0 solid-state drive. This generation of storage technology provides read and write speeds that significantly reduce boot times and game loading screens compared to older SATA or even third-generation NVMe drives. In gaming scenarios, the RTX4060 graphics card allows for high frame rates in modern titles at 1080p or 1440p resolutions. The card architecture is particularly effective at maintaining stability during long sessions because it is designed to operate within the thermal constraints of a smaller enclosure. The inclusion of advanced wireless technology such as Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 ensures that the system remains relevant as networking standards evolve. Wi-Fi 6E utilizes the 6 GHz band to reduce interference in crowded wireless environments, which is a major advantage for users who cannot run a physical Ethernet cable to their desk. For those who require high-resolution displays, the system supports 4K output at 60 Hz, ensuring that visual clarity is maintained for both media consumption and creative work. The T1-Pro comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, which provides a suite of management and security features that are often required in professional settings. This choice of operating system indicates that the machine is intended to bridge the gap between a high-end gaming rig and a serious workstation. The hardware configuration is specifically tuned to handle the demands of this operating system, including the security requirements and the interface animations that benefit from a dedicated GPU. This mini gaming PC is best suited for several distinct groups of users. For the dedicated gamer who lives in an apartment or a dormitory where space is at a premium, the T1-Pro offers the performance of a much larger computer without the bulk. It is also an ideal choice for creative professionals such as video editors or graphic designers who need the processing power of a Core i9 and the acceleration provided by an NVIDIA GPU, but who may also need to transport their workstation between different locations. The portability of a mini PC combined with this level of hardware is a rare combination that appeals to those who attend LAN parties or frequently move between home and office. Furthermore, it serves as an excellent center for a high-end home theater setup where it can handle 4K streaming, local media playback and couch gaming with ease. The adjustable RGB and sleek design allow it to sit on a media console without looking out of place among other high-end audio and video equipment. Another significant group that would find this useful includes software developers and tech enthusiasts who require significant amounts of RAM and a fast multi-core processor for compiling code or running containers. The 32 GB of DDR5 memory provides enough overhead for complex development environments, while the fast SSD ensures that file indexing and compilation happen as quickly as possible. Because the T1-Pro uses standard components like the RTX4060 and an Intel Mobile i9, it offers a predictable performance profile that is easy to optimize for various professional software suites. It eliminates the need for a secondary laptop or a less powerful desktop for those who want a single machine that can handle everything from high-end gaming at night to intensive professional labor during the day. The value of the TOPGRO T1-Pro is found in its ability to offer a no-compromise experience in a form factor that was once limited to basic web browsing and office work. Approximately $1,420 is the investment required for this level of density in computing power. While traditional desktops may offer more room for internal expansion, the T1-Pro focuses on providing a complete high-end package out of the box. It addresses the cooling challenges inherent in mini PCs through a dedicated thermal design that allows the i9 and the 4060 to operate at their potential without constant thermal throttling. This ensures that the user receives the performance they are paying for regardless of the compact nature of the device. The inclusion of high-speed networking and the latest memory standards makes it a forward-looking machine that should remain capable for several years of software updates and new game releases. In a balanced assessment, the TOPGRO T1-Pro serves as a powerful alternative to both gaming laptops and full-sized desktops. It provides more thermal headroom and better port selection than many thin and light gaming laptops, while being significantly more portable than a tower. While it lacks the ability to easily swap out the motherboard or the graphics card in the future as one might in a large PC, the current specifications are high enough to meet the needs of most demanding users for the foreseeable future. The system represents a refined version of the mini PC concept where the focus is on maximizing the capabilities of every square inch of space. For those who prioritize a clean desk setup without wanting to sacrifice the ability to play the latest games at high settings or edit high-resolution video, this machine provides a comprehensive solution. It is a specialized tool that caters to a growing market of users who view their computer as a high-performance utility that should be powerful yet unobtrusive. Ultimately, the TOPGRO T1-Pro is a robust high-performance desktop that successfully manages to pack an impressive amount of modern technology into a very small and aesthetically pleasing package. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.